How to recover disabled Facebook account. First, open the Facebook on browser. Open any browser of your choice. Tap on the search bar. Type in facebook.com, search for it. You'll be led to the official website of Facebook. Log into your account. Right now, my account is not disabled, but I'll tell you the process. Once you log into your account, you can see the message your account has been disabled. Tap on the option Appeal. After that, enter your full name. Make sure to match the name to your Facebook name. Once you do that, you'll have to submit the government issued ID. Make sure to submit the clear photographs. You can submit driver's license, passport, etc. Now on the section for additional info, enter the informations. Politely enter that your Facebook has been disabled by mistake. Make sure not to use the aggressive tone. Now tap on the option Submit. Now the appeal will be submitted. Facebook will look into your request and your account will be recovered. Like this, you'll be able to recover disabled Facebook account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.